Lesson 4, Advanced Integration Techniques, Partial Fractions, Part 2. Example 1. Find the integral of 1 over x squared outside of x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, now we'll have 1 over x squared into x squared plus 1 being equal to, this will have to be an ax plus b over x squared plus cx plus d over x squared plus 1. So 1 is identically equal to ax plus b times x squared plus 1 plus cx plus d times x squared. Now removing those brackets, we get ax cubed plus bx squared plus ax plus b plus cx cubed plus dx squared. Okay, so now we'll get these ones together. So we'll have 1 equals a plus c x cubed plus, now we'll get these ones here together. So that's b plus d x squared, and we're left with plus ax plus b. Therefore, a plus c equals 0, b plus d equals 0, a equals 0, and b equals 1, which of course means that d must equal -1. A was 0, therefore this implies that c also must be 0. So we got that the a is 0 and the c is 0. A is 0 here and the c is 0 here. So this becomes 1 over x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1. And you can see that works very easily. Okay, so now we're ready to go. So we have our integral is equal to 1 over, our integral 1 over equals integral 1 over x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. So that becomes x to the -2 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. And of course that simply equals minus 1 over x when you integrate it, minus 10 to the minus 1 of x plus a constant. Right, in example 2, we have to evaluate the integral between 1 and -1 of x squared over x squared plus 1 dx. Now, we notice that this is an even function, so we can actually save ourselves a bit of time by rewriting that as being the integral of twice the integral of 1 to 0 of x squared over x squared plus 1 dx. Now again, we can't use the partial fractions because these two here, the powers are both the same. So we write this as x squared plus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx between 1 and 0. And that becomes 0 of 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, so now that becomes 2, it becomes x minus 10 to the minus 1 of x between 1 and 0, which is 2, 1 minus 10 to the minus 1 of 1, minus 0, which is simply 2 outside of 1 minus pi upon 4. You leave it like that, or if you want to remove the brackets, you'll simply have 2 minus pi upon 2.